All right, we have Morgan Campbell, Laura Packard, and Catherine Sevier here answering your questions about healthcare enrollment and also Medicare. So, Morgan, this person says, I went through the process and it said mine would be over $700 a month in premiums. I'm unemployed and my husband gets disability.
So I think that person would definitely qualify for a substantial tax credit. You have to be careful when you're entering the income in the income section. You have to specifically put in what your income is and what your spouse's income is. And if you mess with the wrong button, so let's say maybe you put $200 and you click the yearly button, that throws off your entire household income and your eligibility results at the end.
Okay, great. This person says, has the deadline always been August 15th? I thought it was December 15th. Now we're talking about two different things. This is a special enrollment period that goes until August 15th. So then what's the December 15th deadline, Laura?
Well, the December 15th deadline is for the normal enrollment period. So this is a special enrollment period because of COVID, but a proposed change to the normal enrollment period is November 1st to January 15th. That's not final, but it's under discussion.
Right, and so if you sign up by August 15th, you're covered until the end of this year. When you sign up until December 15th, or if that gets moved, that is for the entire next year. So everybody should know that. All right, Catherine, this person says, when do you sign up for a Medicare supplement? And is there a timeline on that? Oh, you're muted.
Sorry about that. There is open enrollment for Medicare supplements, as well as there are the other enrollment periods for ACA. However, you could have a qualifying event during that time, and then you would be eligible to sign up in between. But normally, it's that fall period again. It's usually that November 1 to December 15th period. But watch out, because those things are changing as the dates move for all of us.
Okay, and that's just the supplements. That's not Medicare. Again, you have to sign up at 65, the 3 months beforehand, the month of your birthday, or the 3 months after. That's the time that you sign up. All right, Laura, this person says, can you get insurance if you didn't have it before the pandemic?
Yes, this is exactly what the special enrollment period is for.
Okay. All right. And let's talk about some new legislation that may be coming down the pike that may change all of healthcare.
Yes, right now, Congress is debating an infrastructure bill, a couple bills actually, and there's all kinds of healthcare pieces in those bills you should be paying attention to. One of the pieces would expand Medicaid in states like North Carolina that did not, so that low-income people can access to free or affordable healthcare through Medicaid. And another would strengthen Medicare to include vision and dental and hearing, as well as take the temporary tax subsidies in the American Rescue Plan for the Affordable Care Act and make them permanent.
Okay. All right. We'll be looking for that. Hey, Morgan, this person says, if you have Medicare, can you sign up for the Affordable Care Act to help you with incidentals that Medicare doesn't pay?
No, you cannot. If you are entitled to Medicare, you need to have your Part A, you need to enroll in Part B and select either a Medicare supplement with the prescription in a prescription drug plan, or enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan.
Okay, so when this person says, will I be eligible for the ACA insurance after 65, it's cheaper than Medicare, the answer is no, you will not be able to do that. Okay. All right, and then this person says, I'm 65, I'd like to make an appointment with someone face-to-face, but they're all working from home. What should I do to make sure I'm signing up for the right thing, Catherine? I think that's the AARP tool.
It is. It is. And then you can look for people who are starting to be back in their community seeing people.
All right, so what we want to let you know is that August 15th, again, you've got 1 month until the deadline for that special enrollment. Right now, in the Who Wants to Know section, we have the resources so that you can see the marketplace, so that you can understand that you can talk to an insurance agent for free to be able to find that out. And then we have the AARP tool so that you can get your questions answered about Medicare. All of that is in the Who Wants to Know section.